Okay, so the way is quite easy. First, you need to turn off your Microlife thermometer, and then you can press on/off button for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wrong. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello guys, come back again to my channel, Kata Station. So today is special because I'm gonna make the video in English version. So wish me luck. So when you using this thermometer to measure the temperature, it will like this. It has sound. So I'm gonna show you how to silence the beep sound of this thermometer. All you need to do is to turn off the thermometer like this, and then you can press on/off button for about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until you hear beep sound, and then you can press once again. Okay, now you can see from the upper left. Yes, now the thermometer would be silent. Let's check this out. Okay, you will hear nothing. The beep sound is gone. Okay, now let's try once again to try from the silent to beep sound again. So how to enable the beep sound? First, turn off the thermometer and then press on/off button for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until the beep sound. Okay, now you can hear in the upper left, you can see the sign. Now the thermometer has sound again. Let's try. Okay, that's easy. How do you think? It's easy, right? Okay, so that's all what I want to share to you guys for this video. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe, comment, share, and like if you like it. Okay, thank you. Bye everyone.